Today, we're going to build a Rebel Snowspeeder using 15 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
So this was a LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar design that I really liked, so I thought I'd do the tutorial on how you can build it. But we start with this 2x3 plate. And on the back two studs of our 2x3 plate, we're going to get these 1x2 plates with clip on top. And we're going to put it so that stud goes on the back stud and the clip just kind of hangs out over the end into the air. We're going to do that 2 times to both sides to kind of create the rear of our Snowspeeder. And now we've got these 4 studs here that are still exposed on that gray plate. What we're going to do is get these 3x2 wedge plates, and you've got that straight line. Well, those are going to go across the side 2 studs like this to create one end of our Snowspeeder, and then we've got another one to put on the other end to kind of create the shape of our Snowspeeder. Now on the back here, where these 1x2 plates that the clips are, we're going to get a 1x2 bracket plate, and we're going to put that bracket plate so it goes across those back 2 studs and down towards the back to create our engines to the Snowspeeder. And now in front of that bracket plate, we're going to get 2 1x2 jumper plates. Just put them here on the studs in front of that bracket plate in the back, and then we're going to get another jumper plate and put that in front there. And so you can see you got those 2 studs here in the center and the bracket here. Now on that bracket plate, we're going to get a 1x2 jumper again, but this time in orange to give us that Rebel Alliance color, and put it across the bracket plate like this. And now we still got these 2 white studs to our jumper plates here. What we're going to do is on the back one, in the center one, we're going to get a 1x1 translucent black plate and put that on that back white jumper stud like this, and that's going to be the beginning of our cockpit. And on top of that, we're going to get a 1x1 tile piece and put that on top of that 1x1 plate we just had. Now we've still got this front white jumper plate here, still exposed for that. We're going to get a cheese wedge slope, and have the cheese wedge slope down to the front and up to the back to fully form our cockpit. So you got the pilot here and then the rear gunner seated here. And since we've got the rear gunner, let's put a gun. For the gun, that back harpoon gun to take down our AT-ATs, we're going to get one of these 1L bars with the round stud for our back harpoon gun. So you're just going to put that on that back orange jumper plate stud facing the rear. And then you kind of see how this thing's come in place. Now we still need some guns and blasters on our Snowspeeder. For that, we're going to get these 4L bars. And the 4L bars, you're just going to put them into the clips so that they're flush with the back. So we put them flush, and you do it to both sides. You've got the cannons or lasers to our Snowspeeder. And here we've got a Rebel Snowspeeder to protect Echo Base from the AT-ATs in the Imperial Advance.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.